Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Ally Invest for low cost. To get started with Ally Invest, first, visit the Ally Invest website. Create an account by clicking on the Open an Account button. Fill out the required information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Choose the type of account you want to open, such as an individual or joint account. Complete the application by providing additional details, like your social security number and employment information. Review Ally Invest's terms and conditions, then submit your application. Once your account is approved, log in to your new Ally Invest account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, where you'll find tools and resources for trading. To fund your account, navigate to the Transfer Funds section. Link your bank account to transfer the desired amount into your Ally Invest account. After funding, explore the various investment options available, including stocks, ETFs, and options. To place a trade, click on the Trade button from the dashboard. Enter the stock symbol of the asset you wish to trade in the search bar. Select whether you want to buy or sell the asset. Specify the number of shares you want to trade. Review the order type options, such as market order or limit order. Set any additional parameters, such as time in force or stop-loss orders. Before finalizing, review the summary of your order. Once confirmed, submit your trade for execution. Monitor your investments through the portfolio section of the dashboard. Utilize research tools and resources available on the platform to enhance your trading strategy. Stay updated with market news and trends for informed decision-making. Manage your account settings to customize alerts and notifications based on your trading preferences. Take advantage of the educational resources provided by Ally Invest to improve your trading skills. Consider using their mobile app for trading on the go, ensuring you remain connected to the market. By following these steps, you will be well on your way to utilizing Ally Invest for low-cost trading. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.